If you're trying to get your LLMs.txt file working on WordPress and you host with WPEngine, it probably isn't working. Let me show you how to fix it. LLMs.txt files help AI systems understand your content structure. RankMath and Yoast both generate them automatically now. The file sits at yoursite.com/LLMs.txt, and these tell large language models what pages matter, what your site covers, and sort of how everything is connected. Whether this actually improves AI rankings is still debated, but the setup takes 2 minutes and there's no reason to skip it, especially since these major plugin makers have adopted this new feature. So the problem shows up on WPEngine servers. The SEO plugin creates the file, but WPEngine's NGINX configuration blocks it from being publicly accessible. When I've tested this with other hosts, I didn't have the same problem, so this could be a WPEngine specific issue. But you turn on the feature, check the URL, and you'll see that it doesn't work. So I'm going to show you how to fix it in the cases where you are using WPEngine. First, open RankMath, and you'll need the pro version right now to utilize LLMs.txt. It has a lot of other great features, and it's a pretty good deal, especially compared to Yoast, so I would recommend it. But you'll just want to make sure that this is on, and you can see it's on my site. I'm going to hit settings, and we're just going to give a quick look to make sure everything is configured. And you just want to make sure that you're checking on any real content type. If it's a building block that's not like publicly facing, you should uncheck it. So this looks good for me, and you can see it gives you the link right here where this file should exist at. Normally, if you're not using WPEngine, this will just already work once you turn this on. But for WPEngine, we got a couple extra steps. So the next thing you're going to do is log into your WPEngine account. I've got it open here. And basically, you need to open a support chat. You could also open an email ticket, but the support chat's pretty quick, and this really is a quick fix, so I would recommend it. You'll just click that support box down here, type in support. You want to talk to a human. It'll ask you for your little support pin. You'll put that in there, and you'll need to tell the support tech exactly this. I need you to add an NGINX rule to allow writing of the LLMs.txt that is being generated by my SEO plugin. Just tell them that. They'll go to town. They'll confirm once they're done. It'll take a few minutes normally. And once you hear back from them that they're done, you can move to the next step. So the next step is to hop back into WordPress and go to Settings, Permalinks. And you don't need to change anything here. You just need to hit the Save button. And what this is doing is it forces WPEngine to rewrite your permalink structure and clear the cache. The NGINX rule won't take effect until you do this step. Sometimes the WPEngine tech will do this for you, but there's no danger in you just doing it too, just to be safe. Finally, if you run additional caching plugins, it's always a good idea to clear those as well. This could be WP Rocket, W3 Total Cache. WPEngine has their own cache, so you can also quickly clear that up at the top. And then we should be ready to preview our LLMs.txt file, and you'll just go to the URL/LLMs.txt. So I've got that pulled up here. I'll hit refresh just so you can see it, and this is what it should look like. Just a whole bunch of text gobbledygook that the robot overlords can read without a problem. That's it. Bookmark this video if you work with WPEngine clients. Likely this is going to come up a lot. However, I am hopeful that WPEngine will adopt this globally for all their clients so that you don't have to do that support chat. So that could come in the future, but we're not there yet. Hopefully you found this helpful.